Chapter 8. The Remnant. Coming back into focus. Throughout Scripture, the Most High always preserves a remnant, a people who continue seeking Him while the rest of the world drifts deeper into disorder. And many people misunderstand what separates the remnant from Babylon. It is not merely information, intelligence, or outward appearance. It is alignment, because alignment changes perception. This is why Scripture says, "Blessed are your eyes, for they see." The remnant begins seeing the world differently, not because they are naturally superior, but because seeking the Most High slowly restores discernment, restores focus, restores perception. The world may look at the same events and see only fear, collapse, uncertainty, chaos, and confusion. But the aligned begin recognizing fulfillment, not because suffering is enjoyable, but because perspective changes when the soul comes back into alignment with eternity. Babylon interprets everything through the flesh. Immediate comfort, immediate fear, immediate appetite, immediate survival. But the remnant begins viewing reality through covenant, purpose, refinement, and relationship. This is why the world often sees the remnant as strange, because darkness cannot fully comprehend light. People consumed by Babylonian thinking often cannot understand stillness, conviction, separation, sacrifice, or love of righteousness. Why? Because their perception has been shaped by prolonged exposure to disorder. But those seeking the Most High slowly begin coming back into focus. And this is where the separation between Babylon and the remnant becomes visible. For them, everything continues fragmenting. Identity fragments, relationships fragment, thought fragments, civilization fragments. But for the remnant, integrity begins returning. Focus begins returning. Discernment begins returning. The soul begins gathering itself back together through alignment. This is why Scripture says, "Come out of her, my people," not merely physically, but spiritually, emotionally, affectionally, perceptually, because Babylon spreads through agreement with disorder, and eventually, those seeking righteousness begin feeling increasingly uncomfortable with what the world has normalized. This is the beginning of separation. This is the beginning of remnant consciousness. And this is why Judah becomes important later. Because Judah represents those who continue moving toward the Most High while the world moves deeper into entropy. Not perfectly, but intentionally. Not through superiority, but through alignment. And the closer the remnant draws toward the Most High, the more clearly they begin recognizing the world is not coming together. It is dissipating. But for those seeking Him, something entirely different is happening. Something is being restored. Final chapter.